Hi everyone, I'm Kyla Allen.
I'm Joe Acerno.
I'm Amarachi Uganabo.
And I'm Amber Monteleone.
Welcome to the Thanksgiving episode of RedFeed.
So yeah,
Just
that's
to
how
figure out what we're doing.
that's how this
Because we don't
episode is
know.
gonna go. Okay, you're on this ride with us, folks.
Can we just destroy the
Can we destroy the bag?
Honestly,
Okay.
we're
I
not
knew
gonna
it,
destroy
I knew it, I knew it.
Oh wait, this is
I
an
knew
arts and
it.
crafts thing. Oh man, it's gonna be embarrassing.
It's a nice paper.
Are we making hand turkeys?
I knew it!
Oh my god, they even have the cute little eyes.
They're kind of
The
freaky.
googly eyes.
The googly eyes.
Sleeves are coming up.
I don't think.
Ladies, let's go.
I don't know how to start.
What color turkey?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That green is.
I remember my Aunt Sandra, of course, she's my godmother. She broke, I think,
Pen.
the fable in our house. She broke 7 different dishes in one Thanksgiving, and she hasn't lived it down since. So, Aunt Sandra, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I had to say it. Isn't that funny?
Fable.
I think turkey is the worst Thanksgiving food. Or Thanksgiving feast.
I think they call that blasphemy, what Amarachi
It's
just said.
just, maybe I've just never had a good turkey, but I hate turkey.
I can't think of any crazy ones, but I just know we always play like board games every year on Thanksgiving. And usually I win because I'm the most competitive and
Oh, that doesn't mean anything. I'm very competitive, and I lose a lot of things. Maze. What? Alright, I'm gonna tap out for this one.
I was gonna say corn. I don't know. What else do we eat?
Quail.
Turkey?
Chicken.
I want to say
Deer.
corn.
No
Beef,
deer hunters.
like cow.
Fish?
18, sorry.
16, 21.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go.
I was 200 years off.
Good.
Shout out to my first grade
18?
teacher, Mrs. Connors. Thank you.
18?
2 weeks. 3 weeks.
One
I'm on.
1 week.
day.
4 days.
4.
3 days.
Yeah.
Eisenhower. I'm just guessing. Who's the
So I
mean
think
president?
it was about a holiday for what, 300 years at that point? I could be wrong.
Adams.
Teddy Roosevelt.
Damn it.
Obama?
Who's the first to do it? The first to do it.
The first to
Oh,
do
the
that?
First to do it.
Is it not Teddy?
Abe
FDR?
Lincoln.
FDR. JFK.
Ulysses S. Grant.
Are we getting older or?
That's a president!
Warner? Ronald Reagan.
Oh, why did I guess him?
The Christmas.
Santa.
Santa.
Oh my god.
I go to that. I like to be cheesy and go, and it's cold.
Oh, I've never went.
It's so
I know,
I went
it's
one
so
time.
fun.
I
So
Unlike
I
with
would
all the
never go.
people that aren't even from America, and we're all just chilling.
I would love to go. It's just that I hate going out when I
Yeah.
could be home warm.
And there's like a bunch of tourists, and it's cold. But I
Okay.
don't know why,
So
because
cool.
Santa makes it worthwhile.
10 million.
We're gonna make Marvel Picasso painting.
33 million.
50 million.
46 million. Oh,
I was
God.
closest.
That was
I
hot.
won.
True.
That's so out there.
True.
It's true?
Yeah, it's like too odd to be false. Or else why would she ask?
They gotta get
I mean,
those
it just
plungers.
That makes a lot of
Plum,
sense.
plum.
Everybody eating all that food.
We have it at my
Watch
house
things.
every year. Everyone makes a mess and they don't clean it up, and then we're left to do that. Just kidding. I love you, family.
Football.
That's the Thanksgiving thing.
Like college football, yeah.
College.
Yeah,
Why
I
not?
watch my uncles watch football more than I actually watch football, so like that's how little I have to do with football.
Watch things in a different state than my family with my sister on a computer. And eat food. Apple pie.
Mac and cheese.
For me, mashed potatoes has had a long-standing rivalry
potatoes.
with my mom's stuffing
Yeah, definitely
for the past
sweet
21
potatoes.
years, and I can't seem to pick a winner.
My
Which
mom's
one's
mac
your
and cheese is the greatest mac and cheese to ever mac and cheese.
I wish I liked cheese.
Who told you?
I don't
Who told
like
you that
cheese
your mom's mac
either,
and cheese?
but like mac and cheese,
Really?
my mom's mac and cheese, man.
Oh, man.
You would think I love cheese. I don't like American cheese. I guess that.
American cheese, I can't say I have a problem with American cheese, but
American
it's
cheese
definitely
is a
like the
disgrace.
lesser of the rest of the cheese siblings. Like,
Yeah.
you know, yeah.
Because it's American.
Like the other, like the
You
other,
can't do
like the
cheese.
other members of the cheese family will definitely get more from the will than American cheese will.
Joe, what the heck is that?
What? Oh,
Oh, it's turkey.
doing a Picasso turkey.
Let me see. Oh. Whoa.
Oh well, I started about a
Day
week
after
ago.
Halloween, honestly.
But
I
no,
started-
I disagree.
I started about a week ago.
Because
I think
actually, no, 2 weeks ago.
Thanksgiving
2
makes
weeks
it
ago.
more special, though.
I think you can like start to
Goodness.
enjoy the
You
Christmas
have to
season
cut
right
it
after
off.
Halloween, and then you have Thanksgiving like on Thanksgiving, and then you keep enjoying the Christmas season. I think it's fair.
Me and the frat guys that live below us have been blasting Christmas music for the past week.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I used to watch Charlie Brown Thanksgiving every year,
Yeah,
but I
I
haven't
love
watched
Charlie
it in a
Brown.
while. I don't think.
I used to watch it a lot when I was younger. Then I watched it again when I was older, and then I came to the conclusion that I'm like, wow, I don't enjoy this as much as I would have liked to.
What?
Yeah, kid you not.
The peanuts are the best. You just suck.
I don't think I've ever seen.
It's okay,
any
Amber. Don't
of
hold
those
back. Tell me how you
Charlie
really
Brown
feel.
specials.
You have to.
Yeah, it's just something that I just never came across.
No, you should.
Which feather color did I not use that I can use for a mustache? Hang on.
I haven't even
You
put
having a turkey, a mustache?
face.
Don't judge. Don't stomp on my creativity.
Forgot to make a face.
Oh wait, mine needs eyelashes.
Boys don't have eyelashes, Amber.
No, like
They don't have pretty eyes. They don't have pretty eyelashes. I don't know where I'm going from here, but I promise
I
you it
think I
won't be
just
boring.
really like the feathers. Like I'm just gonna.
You know what? I'm gonna move the eye. I'm gonna move the eye.
am I the only one that gets kind of freaked out by feathers?
Yes.
That's a very-
Right.
Do you remember
Out.
when I don't know if it was where you guys lived, but when like feathers in your hair was a trend? Was that a thing?
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
that a
that was
thing?
definitely a thing.
Yeah,
I
like,
know, I
Not
know.
where I'm from.
I
You're like
never did
high
it.
school.
That was a thing.
I didn't
wait,
do it
no.
either because feathers are freaky and everyone had them in their hair and
What's
I
wrong
would get
with
it
feathers,
away.
Amber?
Yeah, but like
That,
in
yeah,
your
I don't know,
hair.
yeah, that trend was
Like
weird.
what?
It
We
was-
aren't birds. I'm so lost. I don't know why that was a thing. I'm thankful for all my wonderful friends at WRED-TV.
All right, now give an answer without kissing butt.
I'm thankful.
Let her appreciate us, Joe.
I'm for real. All my friends. You're all wonderful.
Same.
I'm thankful
Shucks,
for
Amber,
life.
Thank you.
I'm thankful for the existence of burritos. They're my favorite food ever. I'm really craving one right
That was
now.
a sharp left turn. Wow.
Mine is the queen. Mine's name is Jordan. She is a queen. She is colorful. She has a crown and eyelash extensions.
I think my guy's name is General Autumn. Just to welcome in the fall, his beautiful colors, and his googly eye. Because we all get crazy during the fall.
I didn't think a name would be a question on the quiz, so I'm gonna call mine Gerald because he kind of reminds me of Gerald from Finding Dory. Just to look in his eyes.
Who's Gerald again?
He was the seal that like kept wanting to go on the rock, and then like every time he'd go, he'd be like, off.
Mine's name is Perry, like the platypus, because I think this eye, he's giving me Perry the platypus.
And he's green too.
He's green, yeah. So Perry.
All part of the master plan.
Thank you guys for joining us for another week of RedFeed, and we will see you next time. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Buon ringraziamento.